We are on the cusp of major design changes. And if you plan on building a new construction home in 2024, you want to avoid making these big mistakes, because the last thing you want to do is spend all your money on upgrading your home only for trends to change. Let me tell you a tragic new home story. Around the time of 2014, maybe 2015, I was helping some new home clients at the showroom. By the way, my name is Pollard, and I've been a realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for 15 years now. And before that, I was a new home sales counselor for new home construction. Back to this story, in that 2014-15 time, I had already seen the all-white trend hit luxury, but it was just now hitting the mainstream production builders. And I had shared this with my client, but my client was not ready for the new all-white trend. In fact, if you remember in the 2010-ish, the all-brown cabinet trend with the St. Cecilia granite, and I got this oh no feeling.
No, God, please, no!
They will hate it in 2 years. And I knew if they wanted to sell in a few years, they wouldn't get as much money for their home. Well, they didn't listen to me, and just 2.5 years later, they were ready to upgrade their home. That's so sad. I don't want that happening to you. That's why I'm making this video. And hey, everyone is entitled to their opinions. You can build your home however you want, okay? I'm not here to judge how you want it. You do it how you want, but hear me out. We have about a 2-year window of this all-white kitchen left. We're at the same spot as my clients were with the brown cabinets. And you may still love it. I still love it, but you may regret it in 2 years if you are building a new construction home. Number one design mistake is white kitchen cabinets. You may not want to put the all-white cabinets in. So what do you do instead? Well, start looking on Pinterest for designs with wood cabinets incorporated. So wood is definitely back, and it will be here for quite a while. So start getting used to the look of wood, because sometimes the transition takes a little bit in our brains to adjust. And if you are not ready for wood yet and still love the light and bright, go with a modern beige color. Cream is definitely in right now. It will still feel light and bright, but much more elegant. While it stole the show for quite a few years in design trends, let's talk about quartz. White quartz is going out. In fact, quartz, while it's still great now, look, guys, this trend is not gone. I'm just saying you're going to see less and less quartz and more natural stone. I do think we have quite a few years left of quartz, but avoid the mistake of the basic white quartz. Granite, marble, and soapstone, as well as even concrete countertops, are making a big comeback. Natural stone is more unique, it has more movement, and if chosen right, it can be timeless. So while quartz is not out, I would say over the next 2 to 5 years, you're going to see the natural stones coming back. So the second design mistake is all white quartz. Let's talk about flooring next. Now, floors have not quite found their footing yet for the next big trend. For wood flooring, we saw light wood floors hit about a 3-year window. I have light floors in my house. Then mid-range color, like the maple, was trying to get a start, but it's not as big as they said it was going to be. So what do you choose at the showroom? So wood floors are still great, so choose a color that's going to complement your kitchen cabinetry. If you have dark cabinets, go with light wood. If you have light cabinets, maybe that mid-range wood, that maple, would be great. What I can say is completely out is that wood looking tile. It just looks cheap. There was a trend, and I don't think it hit into the luxury trend, but let me just say that if you put tile all throughout the bottom floor, it's very difficult to resell your home. And it's very difficult to get that tile up if you ever wanted to update. And it just, poof, it just creates chaos in your house. So we pulled some tile up in our kitchen when we moved into this house, and woo, it's crazy. So that third mistake is choosing tile floors all throughout the bottom floor. If you need an inexpensive option, get the luxury vinyl plank. It's easy to install, it's less expensive than wood, and it's super awesome to maintain. And if you have a flood in your kitchen because your dishwasher leaked everywhere, it doesn't ruin the floors. I've even seen some great luxury vinyl plank up into the $3 million price point. It used to be like, no, if you're in your luxury home, you can't get vinyl plank floors. But that has changed, y'all, because people want some great quality materials that are better lasting than wood floors. So if you want to know how to get the best deal on a new construction home, watch this video.